And I just love it. And it's a tradition that you can pass on to your kids and also keep them busy during the holiday season. Welcome to Fran's Friday Hack. We have an amazing hack for you today to keep those kids busy during the holiday season, and it's actually a lot of fun. Every year my Aunt Tilly gave us gumdrops and toothpicks, and we made this beautiful gumdrop Christmas tree. Do we eat it? Absolutely not. But we do eat the gumdrops while we're making the Christmas tree. But this is a tradition in our family that I love passing down. So what do you need? You need a styrofoam Christmas tree. You can find it at Michael's for like $1. Even the dollar store has small ones. You need toothpicks and you need gumdrops. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna break the toothpick in half. Okay, so you're gonna take the gumdrop, and once you've broken the toothpick, on the broken edge, you're gonna stick that or lodge it into the gumdrop like this, and then you're gonna stick it on the tree. And what you will find is the end result, a beautiful Christmas tree. These get really hard later. The kids won't want to eat them, but it's a beautiful centerpiece. Last year we had a really tall one, and I just love it. And it's a tradition that you can pass on to your kids and also keep them busy during the holiday season. So here's Fran's Friday Hack. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks, and bye for now. Have a Merry Christmas.